18 minutes past 8. Eha eye Coastal TV. Mema wajo esansema wo akwaba eba ye health check dwumedia ya wade bia ya fatu ya nso say de bebro. Se na ya nda bia meka no. Coastal TV ye dwen wo ho. Wapomudin eho hia ye. Eno nti na da bia ye gimre na ye bomodin se ya wade dwu bia dia ne ye bia no. Ibeje egu ho na ya baba ka ya pomudin ho asem na wonsonso wanya bi atu kotodwem na odi aba obra. And no topic I see any so impact of environmental factors on our health. Say meka environment na enema bebre na keka bom environment. Akanka se mu ne yebehye mu se yen potem inti no se meka empotem na chese enema bebre na edi akotene wa ha se ye wo nsuo ye wo asase ye wo mframa ye sanso wo ewia no ye wo ewiem ni nyina keka bom emmoa ne nipa nyina ka bom ene ye frɛ ne sɛ empotem na enanu ye ba behwe sɛ saa nyima ya edi akotene wo ye empotem yi edi nsunsuanso ene ya sɛ nyima bi ankoyi a inya ewo ya pomuden so. First of all ye bedi kan hwe sɛ nyima we nyina no sɛ eka bom a eboaye ewo kwan ben so na ye wie nsunsu a na ya hwe ekwan a sɛ nyima ankoyi a etimi ha ya pomuden se eye na se ye wo empotemu na se eba ne se nsuo asei te se galamsey for activities ya na nsen say nsuo bebre ye nyina ye hu se ne esi haye efa na eba ne sanso na ya pomudin na haye because apomudin no ensi ya ema abrabo no ensiye nti enwumre ye ba ne aba behwe ekwan a ebefa so a me no mi ne ebetutu ye ne maye se ne ebe ya ye be hwe empotem ne yie environment no ye be hwe ne yie na enkofa ohaw bia emfama ye dada asetna eso enenso me ne yaye nua me say no oye ebusuani prekope ya junatu Coastal TV family no ye no enebo ye friend no Mr. EMMANUEL OWUSU ASHIA and you know what's officer in charge of hygiene promotion regional coordinating council ho na odini juma enwume ono na wasan be kan yensa wo fi ha say ya ye no eba bedi enkomode da etise mesesha enwume de ma wakwaba. I hope say nyame adum bibia ye fine.
Oh nyame adum bibia ye kama
ye chehye mu say de no mani ajepa ye hu wache etifo afio pa
metifo mfanche nkakra.
Okay.
Anya say bia bo apayo say yemba na sometimes ejuma no hye no
ejuma no do so a wo so winye ni nyina
so ye ni na that is
eyampa so the medi nkan dia to manim no ye ba be kan impact of the environment on our health since so our environment no enya ewo ya pomuden so na ye wo niman enan bia ye de asie ni so na enan no ye wo soil eye asase no ene ye wo noise pollution ene ye sans wo exposure to chemicals so with the chemicals eye ejuma bebre a ekwan ye befa so ebetimi aha wapomuden ene ye sans wo climate change eye ewiemu nsakyereye eno nso kwan ben so na efa ehaye so one to say meka emframa anase nsuo anase eduane we nyina echese previous episodes ni ye treat sa topics we na ya hwe emframa ne nsuo nyina nti ene no ye nkoho na imum ye ko other aspects of the environment ene ne mabobo obosi nti mi say sha ye nsemre kra no ye pese ye hwe ye hwe Ghana haseya ye fa Cape Coast enye case study.
Okay.
Overall no ye beka say ye environment no ne tibia etisen obi beka say how is it faring ye environment no ne ho tesen ma me bisa ne sa.
Okay. Medasi bebre na mechia yahwefo ne yetiefo nso nyina omofa nche se America kra yentumi mba hanom edwuma no de wete no we se edwuma do so ye ne nyina
serve bebe
enti no in as much as na wo se ye ba hanso no na yen services ehia nso be bifoforo enti no omofa nche said ya woka no ye hwe yen environment ayewo ma ye mpote ma yete bia ye wo ekura ye free so oman ayetim ye pese ye hu se ye environment ne ho tesen a Kakra betimi aka ne say the environment no ntiapo.
Oh.
Ntiapo in the sense say enyama bebre na ekoso environment na yetim bibia ye won enyama bebre na ekoso. For example, you for Cape Coast as a case study.
Okay.
Oba yemfimfim mantem hanoma. Adeba ko e ha adwen pan ye improper waste disposal.
Okay.
Na sa nyama ni nyina akoso a ekwa sanso ba affect environment na yetim na ankasa. The last time I ba na ye can about the effect of illegal mining on the environment. We can say be say any illegal mining can affect the environment. Sebio, se me prabi fie ne se me ntumi amfa nkogu beebi a yahye mfa nwra ninku. Na me hwie gu abonten beebi a I'm also contributing, I'm also causing the environment not to be safe.
Okay.
The best me chene say sa de na me ye no me nso me ma importem na mete no de me ye ne se me mpese ehobeti ama yetumi atena ho no. Nti se me kanitia wade a environment na ntiapo. Nya bebre e koso a enye.
Okay. Na che say yen nipa na yete empotem ho no ye betimi aka say ye mbo environment no ho ban ye.
Not at all. Not at all. Because enya bebre ho no ma ye. Currently in Ghana, I can say and you hardly see people reading.
Yeah.
So be afase kan say okwa kodo e bia be efie otim no efie no na bonten so ne efie no the immediate environment within that particular premises no say hofu a say nipa na be fase kan na so obebo palm obi abedo no you hardly see some of these things of late ye important fu ya na akoto ready side ni abia the knapsack spray aboyechi ni ehwe gum ya mix said aboyechi ni fu na spray.
Wow.
3 days na nyina ahye. Then we are okay. These same pesticides and these same chemicals na ye di spray abonten no. It comes back to us.
Yeah.
Because there are lots of people that they don't know says or yes spraying also protective gears.
Okay.
Dubo no ma obo sprayer. Nose mask be anhye onhye goggles be no hand gloves and also obo spray. But some of these chemicals no give skin irritations. Se inhale the droplets in these chemicals na ekomu it can affect even your breathing. But yenhye sanya mani nyinanso we feel say adena meye no the end results na menya no is what is important. But no. The end result is important, yes, we agree. Yeah. But then, I don't know the effect in the bebano. We don't think about that.
Yeah.
And also, because the effects no negative at how the brain. But when it's positive, we are good to go. But the negative at how the brain. But yen time man yen focus and cause anya maneso.
Send a wedding can share no yen twas so I'm say what jump into exposure to chemicals what the chemicals a juma a cha and so a bit me nya e so na wedding can e kwan e fa so a ha ya pomuden yen hwe e kwan e fa so a e ha e ba na asase no because nim say asase no so e mo awom ye wo e mo bi a e wo so mo wa asase nim say na be ya asase no be nya ahoden eno so e kwan ben so na sa chemicals no e say sa e mo no.
Okay. Thank you for that. A very good question, Webisano. When was the last time I who mushroom?
In Maybe
And when was the last time in Swa? Everyone said, I'll call a full man or call him snails and what? So you ask yourself, say, Sa never win in a journey for him.
Wow.
These same chemicals now, ye this spray yen farms, yen cocoa moo, yen bunch of foam, ye tomatoes phone way mono. I don't know because these bacteria they are useful bacteria produce mushrooms are very nutritious. Snails are very nutritious. Say obi sakwarampo nyinia at the point you think so akrano mano snails. Even pregnant women you think say oh what's in the bones in bed.
Yes.
This is because snails contain high amounts of calcium.
Wow.
Yes, which helps in bone formation. But then you don't see those things again. Simply because we are using a lot of pesticides, a lot of weedicides. Say yedibeku infuye o yemfuomu emwa eba yemfuo so eno sa chemicals na ye use. Chemicals no so use here. It doesn't stay on the crops. In shorter, it washes onto the soil.
Oh.
And when it gets into the soil, it kills the bacteria and then one can get na e was asim na nke mass as na nutritious no. E kun sam one nyina.
Wow.
So in effect no enema o say ke yetumi nya no yenya. There are instances and call for a spray omofoma to the extent say afi wo de aduaba hye fom ho a entimi fifi bi because nutrient as no one can make aduaba na fifi no ni nyina is died off.
Wow. Oka akwan a enwafa so eboye na madwen kosi bibe so na nsem nam town na me hu say billboard kese bi si wo ya ye enku ni ade oba bi oda so ase enwa tetale ni body na mekoye research na me hu say na enwa no kra no omanu nsuo no omutimi di ye enku ma eboye.
Yes.
Wow.
The blue water na wo snails mo no very very expensive.
Wow.
Yes. Say we this one just a bonus to mom here snail farming no. Utumi extract sa blue water na free snails mo na. Now ton very very expensive. Companies esha da beto. Ah mo dey include ni cosmetics and other things.
Wow.
Yes. And it's very expensive. Because you hardly get those fluids no.
Yeah.
You know, this one is just a bonus to mom here snail farming no.
Yeah.
But me extracting kwa dia, you are good to go.
Okay, Mr. Shah, you jump into one other aspect of the environment. No?
Okay.
Say you can exposure to chemicals. Now you can a bit of the soil, no? So how it's even affecting farming and all that.
Yes.
The climate change, no? So it's a broad topic.
Yes.
But it's me exhausting into just a little. Say ebani say temperature no esesa na say wiem ye hye and ye too much a kwame so na no so efa ha ye dada sitina enkanka ya pomuden.
Okay, so climate change has been it has been a very broad topic. Adebia ye kan ho asem.
Yeah.
I think 2 days ago we had a workshop at UCC, Center for Development Studies. Okay. And we were talking about climate change and economic management. Now, one distinct thing was when Ghana Water was doing a presentation, normally a presentation with regards to how our OWUSU, normal pump stations, they were these illegal mining activities, any of these human activities affecting a lot of things. And surprisingly, we got to know, say, at a point, the chemicals that they were using to purify our water was costing as low as 0.06 pesos. But currently, it is costing as high. Maybe the amount might look very insignificant, but in their context, it is very expensive. From 0.06 to 1.83 Ghana cedis.
So once the
83 pesos.
83 pesos.
Yes, but initially it was 0.06. It was not even up to 0.1.
No, 1 peso.
And 0.06. But you see, it's as high as 1.83.
Wow.
So this tells you, say, the kind of activities are now are affecting climate. It is the effect is coming back to all of us. Currently in Cape Coast, if you be issue,
yeah,
issue about sabi to say obi a sabi obi a janai bia okwakodun so eba kitikiti bi the way issue we know say growing up we were taught say water is colorless, odorless and tasteless.
Yes.
But now the water we see in our pipe has colors. You see yellow, you see cream, you see dark brown. What are we doing to ourselves? And these are the effects of EMMANUEL that has affected the climate environment. And the effect is coming back to all of us.
Yeah.
It's illegal mining and air cost. This heavy metal, the last time these heavy metals no more using. we might not see the effect now, but let's give ourselves 5 to 10 years. The kind of effects are better if we are not careful as a country, bedding, because we are going to see a lot of respiratory issues. We are going to see women with abnormal features in their bodies. You are going to see a lot of people getting pregnant and at the same time getting miscarriages. Because these heavy metals, when it gets into our bloodstream, the body cannot absorb them. And most of these heavy metals are carcinogenic. Because they are carcinogenic, the ability to cause cancer. And it's according to your body, it fights even the systems in our body. So let me even bring this one in.
Okay.
Any foreign material be according to Unipedia now. When the body sees those foreign materials, they try to fight those materials. Some of fighting those materials now. What they do is that when we say a foreign material naba, and you know as a guard to the body, no, or try say or be protected body from that particular foreign substance now.
Yeah.
That's the reason why when a lady is pregnant, the first trimester is very crucial.
Yeah.
Simply because body will say something different has entered the body. And it will fight that thing to either stay or the person loses it. And into that the first trimester, the midwife will tell you, say, how no, do on my many giddy. Because having a body in the air adjusted to a corona but then you can either lose the baby or something. So that is how it works. And you know, so some of these materials go into our body now, the body tries to fight it. Body needs me and fight here. They rather attack the organs within our bodies. And when any organ is affected, that's the way it grows to some level, but it becomes carcinogenic.
Wow. It's a dane cancer.
A dane cancer. And a DBA cancerous is deadly.
Wow.
Yes.
Now also, you can't illegal mining, galam say some yano. A homebody says no be national issue. Abaya sama adia chia adia say obia eka. Nti yaka no kakra ne yemfa no ento nchen kakra. Mpese yembre fie. Say ye ba ye fie a ekwan ye fa so ebo ye bra e wo ye fie no. Edian ni na ya ye wo ye fie. Yempotem bebia ye adwuma na ade a emboa no so etimi emasa climate change we mu nsacheye ano ye den.
The first thing I can say several times you pray in fear. Say you need has been put in fear. You pray aboa no a na di ja to na yahye no. In run na yahye no. Smoke na air banner is going into the atmosphere.
Okay.
What share there be the smoke that comes out contains carbon monoxide, which goes into the atmosphere and affects the climate. It affects the weather.
There's like carbon monoxide,
yes,
aquarium.
It mixes with other chemicals within the atmosphere that affects. So it's a whole topic on its own.
Okay.
I guess okay. But the basic thing is that in rare smoke and air ban, when it goes up into the sky, it affects the climate change.
Okay.
2. Say mini ejanabia o mfie na say mikoja me na abonten na area boswa it's about the moisture in the physics evaporates goes into the atmosphere.
And so na wo
ejana it evaporates and goes into the atmosphere.
Okay.
You get it? If you spray, the chemicals spray. We spray it evaporates goes into the atmosphere. Sanyama we ko nyina contains chemicals other bacteria, other things which goes into the atmosphere and affect the atmosphere. And here they may do me fear so I may do had say ha fear and affect you but to the larger extent it's affecting the entire world. And I think to be obey and over say bills I do me day emphasis of instance so bonny be and famba but na say be on say in pain be near say say obi wetifi insuo eda yempotemness obi wetifiness or say insuo na nipa no wo esoro no onya the effect but no more downstream no enya the effect say insuo to kesena se flood is here go for to regu gatism Say wash ya, say me wa ha. Na say me hwie enwure gu gata we mu. Na e wash ba ha. Me a me wa ha no. Flood and enka me. But obi o down. E wanna flood and be can. How did the flood happen? Maybe negligence.
Okay.
Maybe activity me here na by throwing rubbish into the gutter.
Okay.
And of course it will be flooded. In this mania, can never call can hon and flooded. Can hon train. Into this Nyaman getting this in a way, we also contributing to the effect of the climate change.
Wow. Wow. Because Nyama do all crana. Because meaning son and say no, and call for Penyama Shishipa. Meaning someone is lion for no was some more, so many ball for no was some more.
I've come to realize something, say. We want everything free. We want everything free. But you see, life itself is not free. The air we are breathing, it is not free. Say free, because say you are not at the hospital. Near the oxygen, see you so. So the life we are living itself, it is not free. Yango ponka say, ene ya makata meni, meje me unkwa free mzema. What do you have to say? You don't have anything to say. That is the reason why they be a cast. So that is also not a bit chill. The trading upon Yanko say. So Wama unkwabi. In Tiabrabona Hebon, life itself is not free. People want to get everything free, but it is not like that. Zoom Lion is providing dustbins, household dustbins. As a you pay something little. People don't want to patronize it. And untino ofilise or any real so the gutter is meant for storm. It's meant for flow of water. Since the storm drain air ban, I was it is not meant for rubbish. But we've turned our gutters into refuse dumps, which is not supposed to be. You see, and you know, free no. And who's only been a year. At least, you pay a little, maybe 10 cedis, 20 cedis, or whatever. So 20 is now Wutiano. And yes, say the Wutia say, it's the service that they are providing. So you are paying for the service that is being rendered to you.
Okay.
As a household or as a person. Oko Hospital, you are also going to Oko Hospital is a nurse for sure. It's a service they are rendering to you as a patient.
Okay.
And you pay for it. Say Obiaba Costa TV no person be advertising a product. It's a service you are rendering to the person. Sir. It is a more advertising a product now. The person is supposed to pay because it's not for free. Because TV now more day and airwaves now more day you are paying licensing, you renew every year you pay, right? Light, you know, you buy prepaid. You get it. Yeah. And you know, we shouldn't think say waste management is not free. Waste management is expensive. The earlier we understand some of these things, you know, the better for all of us. Because you understand some we must say, they be an Yabeka say, Ena in run so dear, I didn't know my in run and go to a good also between Musika. Sebi, say, I'm not sorry, no, you mo cannot quit an idea. Said Utia. Oh, Utia. Utia and San Wahoso. I don't know Casan de Infancho. Utia because so what a hawk say Honoma. Nipa no Tiano, I was so see Hono. Send about the next time no bar. Meto say why is a wase. I hope you are connoted mess and cost to be. The same way, Sikana Utia to these refuse companies number before Urano. So ba Utia mana. EMMANUEL to me service a car now the before Urano. Yeah. But if you don't pay the money, I can't break it down one. That's Urano. Or does be near my So we should try and understand some of these things.
Mom dear was say because the says Debiano yam fire how koto abanso. One them and a buyer was so in your way, a buyer was on my fire baller, a buy may say, one if a corner so ya cassette ya twa untia. Fabola corner tia 1 city. Over how the baller be brave, or your bed in the bed 2 cities or send a wedding. When I was saying, I near society doing for near maybe home because the way I near Melkono, time is a share can answer the next 10 years, 5 years, 15 years, na ewe yenim no ye ho be kire ye pa as Ghana for se wo se yenhwe ne yentu ye ho fo me se sha ye to aso no yenhwe bibi foforo bi nso a ha ye pa eye dede ye aya na nkofo bi fi se me de me ho me de me fie me na maba be han me dan na me ti me fie me pese me mbie system no 200 volume na me nye dede a wonti me nkyere me hwe bo so ti won feature ho de bia o ye dede me na me ti me dan mu ho na me nye dede ni bi no se me ne nipa bi say it's now for like 5 years 10 years e dey sunsun aso na sa dede we betimi anya wo me so
noise pollution of late is coming up na ababaye adebia e was it me hwe ho asem na yeka noise generally no has a lot of effects on individuals. Obo mo so mean to mean that na me be because noise excessive noise can even cause high blood pressure.
Sir?
Yes. Excessive noise can cause insomnia, sleeping difficulties.
Okay.
It is a oti be be say obi ye de bebreba. Say want to mean nipa na nkasa na want to reduce the noise na. Just go and report to the appropriate authorities.
Okay.
Normal, either they come and caution the person or they come and arrest the person. Because noise has a lot of effect on us. You see, noise can cause hearing defects. Yes. Some time ago, I had a problem with my ear. And it wasn't because of noise, loud. It was because I was using earpiece. Yes. The eardrum has a certain level of noise it may contain.
Okay.
So it affects the eardrum.
Wow.
And you see, there is something we don't try to appreciate. When your eardrum is destroyed, it cannot be repaired.
Oh, Sam.
Yes. It cannot be repaired.
I say.
That's the reason why omomonya problem with their ear, they use hearing aid.
Yes.
Send a bayard kono. O cancer now, or better a little bit louder.
Okay.
When the eardrum is destroyed, it can be repaired.
Wow.
And we should be careful the amount of the volume of noise that we are engaging ourselves in. Noise pollution can cause hearing defects. It can cause high blood pressure. It can cause memory loss. Because, for example, maybe I'm person no be born the day or me next door. Mean to mean stay focused. There are people who can say, oh, maybe I did work on me. It's never true. It's never true. You see, fine, it can help you stay focused.
Okay.
But you see, the human body is such that the moment sometimes function be as here. Let's say a born man. How do I even say it? I won't say, and yes, your person was sound. Okay. But in perfume, I don't want to say you are tapping your feet. You are tapping your feet. And yes, I watch that's how person will tap your feet. You get it? But the sound is not airborne. Yeah. And my body not responded to it naturally. Yeah. It's excessive noise, no. Can cause high blood pressure, can cause memory loss. It can let you lose focus. It can cause difficulty in sleeping. That's what we call insomnia. And you know, I had a hygiene. And it's a bit important or yes, I am beer. Just report to the appropriate quarters.
Nansen so like Dede Yankasa. What's be our call a police station? Bra or intimidate you or ye the department mention. I mean,
you see,
people will not take you serious.
Yes. There are laws in Ghana that talks about excessive noise, pollution. And you know, maybe we might not know, say there are laws in Ghana actually and say excessive noise pollution is a crime. Okay. So you should be careful with it. Say, who report it? For example, Oba Metropolitan Assembly. Let's all report it. Say, Obi or FHG. They have a measuring device. Between the measure the excess noise in the level do.
Okay.
So, or bro certain number biswa, the person can be arrested.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And you know, and yes, a trust no, the bylaw now that has been gazetted by Ayagazama Kipos Metro. It's in their bylaw.
Okay.
Excessive noise pollution. It's a crime.
Okay.
And he said, Obi ye what if ye no be the one put them feature here. Talk to the person. When tia final assembly reporting. Not paying for emblem. Because anyasa you get the effect. Even the vibration the vibration what these speakers who feeling can even sometimes some of them can even cause skin irritation.
Hey.
Yes. Vibration can even cause infertility.
Sir.
Yes. That is the reason why when we go to the mining sector, with these heavy metals anyway, we do certain age by money.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
It's noise, it has its own effect, and we should know about it.
Okay. What can you me debate to mission? And I do Friday numera, or more ye wakekeeping, I don't know. A bed 12 now, that's what boy net speakers giddy boom 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 pass vibration. Let us say, what can you me debate to mission, San Ebeya? The wow to me area honor can who said Friday you now ye did there, Medobeko Assembly. Sanity. Now, Mr. Shah. Nkoma ya yedi ni nyina no yenka ni nyina embom se meye omamba pe amai madwen se mpese me ye omamba pe ze na wa hye me na mehu no akwan ben so na metimi aye bibi difference like metimi asesa mabra bo se na be ya we nyina no meye fi ho because ze no wa hye me se vibration kwa na sa na it me betimi kwa esi obi awo kwan inti no se metim potemu ade na wo se meye se na be ya metimi asesa me suban e wo niema bi sa ho
ade ba kwa ye betumi aye na ya ankase tumi de aboa ya ankase ho ne se we should keep our environment clean.
Okay.
That is the basics. We should keep our environment clean.
Okay.
So we feel now to me ndo but pa no be bedo nipa ne ba obanes obedo a service na render pay the person. At least say amount of nipa charging a sexy ba only nipa negotiate na embrafo then you pay the person. Okay, remember yen spray yen fee yen for we decide yen spray hono because so the co spray na say we are boss wa say if from aba I carry all these aerosols now we dey spray now into the atmosphere and we intend inhale these things into our own system again. Sanya man home kwemu no it contains traces of chemicals be are very harmful to young individual. Nti efiefo ayendo yenwura wo fie meme ye nhye no ye fa ngugu bebe ya hye se ye mfengu ukona se charge 150 a tua because a service no more render sir because scanner wu tua no eno no mo di maintain this place no se na be next time ya ukona kwa odi nwura ne kogu on ma ngongo tetia ngofo nwura mu na ngongo hwe ngu container ni sanity eduane na se wo ya make sure you wash your hands well before you prepare food yenu anu mo to eduane o efie ne ekwan ho no baby a wo ye eduane no wo hwe se ho no mate because se me ba beto eduane nya hoden me se eduane na mba beto na se menya yare a then what is the essence of me coming to buy your food enti no eduane no hwe se eduane na wo ye no environment no atikama
okay
now wo ye nso a make sure so wash the appropriate atade a would be okono bit to eduane and it knows not the two eduane say you be tine to eduane you wouldn't know at least who to eduane wash a head cover kakra na kata women so apron kakra say na be ya apron no na obon apron that one that atade na wash say na be water na mu nsai sir so bon then what was and also your service now also render na bio because me banam some between and say no punch me David service no render so I'm supposed to pay and today thing so be free radio who person head more free of charge You get it? It's in the sanya many now. Yeah, sanya we ya. Ebe boy yankasa. The other ones when they say, Yansha say, yen to two rengu basa.
Okay.
Yen two rengu gatesim. Yen jai open defecation.
Okay.
Me, I'm very passionate about it because as a wash officer, people having access to improved latrine. Idea who hear me. Because say me will fear nese janabia or at least me who Tommy. Me won't was a line. And go the anabatu to me so that much was a line. Say me couple German and I'm an answer me go to be future. Me may feel you, say me wins you and I be being gumiso. But say janabian be me and Casami fear. Me person me who am sorry and me call my friend who am a it brings dignity.
Yeah.
It brings confidence. Say obi ba no ba besrawa no be so ye ne hu yepe enya afa na wo so ne pekon nsa na kwa manzan dia so ebi wo fi eno kwa de munyam shakwa de bra wudi pa no enti no ye sa anyem we ya we are also contributing our quota to into the environment to make the environment safe for all of us to live in enti ye mbo mo de se be sa anyem we nyina na ye ya ebe boy nyina
ebe boy pa na Mr. Shana me pese me bisa o ze enema bibre na waka but obi wo ha ahyase no na wonim se o spray kra na ebitimi kra ha asase no ama ababe ha ono ankasa nipadua na ankasa no nti no me pese me bisa metro no bibi wo ha mo ye na mo dia cheche nkofo as a form of education ekwan ben so na mo fa so mo cheche nkofo say we no we ya ebe ha environment na ebe ha wankasa nso nti menye master to bibisa na say afi na mo be starting so a de na mo de agu akwan mu.
Okay, me da se bebre. So as a region and as a metropolitan assembly, yasha nyama bebre ase.
Okay.
With regards to to protect the environment, to protect the climate and all that. The president launched the Green Ghana campaign. I don't know what I say. I was saying to me, do India to protect the environment. This year, yebi.
Okay.
Quite a number of seedlings you distributed across the region. I don't use Ghana because I'm in Central region, so let me use Cape Coast. Within Cape Coast, I chairman various institutions, individuals, some of who do it in Oba RCC say in yes. So that is one thing we are also doing.
Okay.
With the Metropolitan Assembly, the bylaws as it has been gazetted. Then we are also doing house-to-house inspection to educate the community on proper hygiene practices. This year, almost a medical screening. Okay. So next nyame adoma afina ekwe ya na nyame adoma the screening will continue next year. As in the new year, ebesa to us. We are educating the food vendors on how to keep themselves well, to prepare food. Say na be yeduan omo ye dia brain ma yedi no. Yembenya yare mfiri aduane ni. Okay. Ye to aduane di say na be benya hoden, ye to aduane di emenya yare. Enti no say education ni nyina nso e koso. The latter part in the plan say law enforcement nso wo ho. Enti si ye kan we nyina sese mpotem uye oton aduane a hwese aduane na wo ye no bibia oton e hoti. Ye kan sansa ni nyina cho say we tie a then we use the law. Okay. She said the law is the law. When you fall corporate to the law will deal with you. Sir. In the young per se, Obia who became dream, I won't bremuno. And untina, all this education. Every day, environmental health officers echo out, engage communities, engage market women, engage people, talk to them. Recently, we had a case of rabies in one of the communities within.
And if you say
yes.
Okay.
But a public health issue.
Oh, okay.
So they informed us. We went to the scene. Then we took control over the situation. Okay. As a result of that, the sensitization after. Conscientize everybody about the effect of rabies. Okay. It's one of the things we're also doing. It's every assembly within the region be on a part or play to make the environment clean and better. Okay. ye best ready say ye nuanom ye maame nom ne ye papa nom a omo ye mpotem no omo mo aye na edwuma na ye ntumi nkoso say environmental ni bi ba ofi tanka se bi ba ofi no ba behwe mpotem a onye wotamfo
sir
oye unua oye oba oye unua ba oye unua ba ma oye oba boa no asem ode ba no nya sopa ne ti asem na wo kan na hwe mo ba na fa ba obra because yeba say we are friends of the community
sir
yemba as enemies of the community and pen bebre no say nkofo hu environmental officers no mu dwane yeba as friends yeba be boa mo say ne be edwuma na mo ye no ebetumi akoso yeba say ne be ya pomodin na de be ye ka say yenya pomodin papa ne etumi nyina che no yeba ebe hye mukina yemba say yeba be che obi a yeba che only when a wa obstruct obi
okay.
And obstruction is an offense. In the same way, it's an offense.
Okay.
For example, police in the why are police in the Aba? So Babecho. Let's all obstruct police in the It's an offense. What to make sure they go.
Okay.
It's a penalty. It's ye bar in peace. And ye the goodwill near the Aba. It's ye accept us because you don't want to community needs. Accept us near live in harmony. Send a bear. That should be so who baby are obet me could me friend my catch and yes papa we are not sister we are inka meet me do something
sir na oka Jonathon for asem no etwema dwen si bibi so on say edu afahye mra in fact say me na afahye Christmas ba occasion bi besi a prako pe obe say baby a obefe bia obi ton aduane kwanna bia obi wure bia obi ton aduane eno no mama gidi say ene na nkrofo bi wo ha omunni nkrata mpo ya de ton aduane so because say ya fashion na opese onye sika nti no wa sha say ya ton aduane eju sa mre na ya mo fam ekohwe say nkrofo bi sa de omo agim
yes okay. So ebedu festive season bia you was special exercise ya
okay
you were be friend mop up beginning of the year no you be screening na. But when it gets into the festive season, we do a lot of mop-up. Okay. Mop-up no you naturally say you say identify all screening moments me mama baby. Then we let them do the screening. Okay. Into wow obey us brache na you beka square na wanyen. Enam ran you do. Okay. But if you do certain you do a lot of mop-ups to identify all those people. Na your mama papa medical screening before they start selling. 2. Me pese me treat ya dwegina de biso. Yeba be call Xmas. Sir. Enche you be ready December. Sir. So to ade bia any product be ba to bia no. Make sure you check for expiry dates. Expiry dates, okay. Some of the shop, not all, some of them. So yeba be do this festive season now. Omo pushy product na eba be expiring na around this time. They want to sell it off. Okay. It is one you careful ba to ade bia ba no be do fie no. Na product na expire. Because most of the product 2025 be ending. Products here in 2023, this year they all expire. Some of them cry 2024. It has just one year lifespan. By December 2025, you know expire. There's also make sure you check the expiry date of a product. And some now they are sure bag in their coffee. And yes, about what you feel. No about to expire product. No about boka. Me cancel the baby na ye de beshe ye de beto ya dwenso. Need me answer because most of the product. Omba beton, you had omba beton. Omba so what they do is omba it so for any high sense. Until who are what you may say, oh, I did the full. Oba checking. Either saka bebe 1 month for it to expire, or even some days for it to expire. Yeah. When you see those things, please don't buy. To a day at least, it will be 3 months expiry date to expiring date, 6 months, 1 year. Because everyone might come over to what do you mean when you see na? For example, maybe I canned milk. I got a tin of milk. Maybe I got 3. But expiry date is about 3 days for it to expire. May use back. But when you play with me, you na Saturday na. Okay. May use be 3 days. 3 days in the best one. But I hope I make me use 2 no. I expire. Means me is 2. My baka. It's an easy to sign mana. Around this time, the mestre. Yembo money and Shannon, so now you're and son, you're fee. Mr. Shia, you're the pan radio. A what cassache, me a sure pa say you now, so yet see na you swear dear a free.
saa nyema we nyine mu no Christmas na eba no bronya na eba no enkonkoto high sense atete so say ehu de ani bi na ebi to papa ni bi to papa preko na ho ankwa ankokyereo enwumre yemre no ayebe ye na ya sori so na nkomobo no na yegusu a yaba ba mu ama wonsonson wanya ho ntiase no ye hwe ekwan a yebefa so a yempotem a yete no eniema bi a edi akotene te se nsase yenkoye dede bebre ema ne nko haye na ewiemu nsachaye so ye hwe ekwan a yebefa so a yen enye bibi ema ewiemu nya hye bebre anase enye nwunu bebre na anko haye enyumrei eno na ya bomodin a ya baba mu se bia fei na wetimi ababet na TV no ho anasa fei no waso phone na digital channel 514 na Facebook and YouTube nti se wentimi ene ya nhase a uko Facebook ni YouTube a ubetimi na onsaka video na wonso wahwe bi no wehu nsema ye ka ye ni nyina no enyumrei so ye de aseda kese be ma wo a unyamre na oni ye etna ha ebesi sentence mpempensuwe yenso ye da sepa Coastal TV de se na de bia meka no ya wada de wapomuden no ehia ye pants no ye ntoto ne form ye bebo mode se ne ye bia na ye begya ato ho na ya ba betena ha ne ne wadi nkomo ne ye se ne ye fata na wonso so ahu ne ekọ na wonso wa ye ahweyi se wunya apomuden pa eno na obetimi atena se ache se na Mr. Shia kan no wunya apomuden papa utimi tena se eche ankasa sa netie bonsam bia ni baabi ababo na mpom yete asese bonsam one yankasa ye ho nti se wo hwe ho su ya enya ade abonsam bia betimi aba be ye wagadri bia nti